Hi programmers, I'm going to walk you through doing this problem. So in case you had any trouble, you can watch along in the video and you should be able to get everything done this week without any problem. All right, so you're going to have to read this over. I've already read it, but we're going to go ahead and start the program. Tell the user what's going to happen. So I'm going to go to my REPL that I've already created. I put my name there as a comment. I said this is a solution to number 6. And print, welcome to the LeetSpeak translator. So there, I told them what we're doing. Ask the user to enter something to translate using an input call, store with enter in a variable text. All right. Text equals input. Please enter text to translate. All right. Next, I said to make the text uppercase. So that's text equals text dot upper. And you need to have the open and close parens there. And then I printed the text in my sample because I wanted to make sure it was uppercase. So let's just run this. Welcome to the LeetSpeak translator. Please enter text to translate. Hamster, and there's hamster, all uppercase. All right, back to the instructions. So we just did line 4, print the variable. Create an empty variable called output. So say output equals that. And then use a for loop and go through all the characters one at a time. So you're going to say 4x in text. So let's go back here. Output equals empty quotes. And then I'm going to say 4x in text. What that does is it takes each letter out of text one at a time and puts it into x. And then here we're going to say if x is equal to an a, then we're going to say output equals output plus, now instead of an a, our LeetSpeak generator uses a 4. And then instead of an e, it does a 3, a t, it does a 7, an s, it does a $sign. So we'll go back here and do all those things. You want to do elif x equal e, output equals output plus 3. And then watch this, I'm going to select that elif line, I'm going to copy it, and I'm just going to paste it right over what I copied, but I'm going to paste it a couple more times. So then we can more quickly adjust these. If there's a T, we're going to do a 7. And if there's an S, we're going to do a $sign. And why don't we fix this last one? We're going to just change it to an else. Output equals output plus x. What that does is if it's not an A, an E, a T, or an S, then it's just going to go ahead and, oh, I did a capital X, sorry. It's going to go ahead and put whatever it was, just pass it along. So like the H of hamster won't get changed. So let's run this and see what happens. We're going to say hamster again. And, oh, yeah, funny. So it did everything, but I didn't print out the variable. So down here at the very bottom, say print output. And notice how it's not indented inside the for loop. We don't want to print it all the time. We just want to print it when it's all done. So we say hamster, and it prints it in uppercase, and then let's check. We got the A is a 4, the S is a $, the T is a 7, the E is a 3. Awesome. So that is all through here. We took care of this. And then I said add elif conditions so your program also does T and S. Yeah, so we did that. We tested it. Let's do LeetSpeak. Let's go back and test that. Lead speak gives us what my program said it should. Okay, and then I want you to add 3 more translator elifs, your choice. Here's some you can choose. I'm going to do F, B, F, and K. I don't know, maybe I'll do N, just so you can see a multi-character one. So we'll do F, N, and K. So what you would do for that is do your copy this elif line again. So I'm copying Control C, and then I'm just doing Control V to paste, and then I'm going to paste it 3 more times. That way we have the original S $1. We're leaving that one alone, and then I wanted you to add 3 more characters. So we could say if you got a B, then do an 8, and if you have an F, do PH. And the last one I think I said I was going to do was an N. And if we do an N, we want a vertical bar, a backslash, and a vertical bar. Notice I did 2 backslashes because if you have a backslash inside quotes in Python, it's considered a special character. Remember we had that backslash T or backslash P for doing a tab or a new line. So when you do 2 of them in a row, it'll just print out 1, or at least that's what I believe will work. So let's do funny bunny hamster. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it's a mess, but it did do it. See, F became PH. The 2 N's became a vertical bar, a slash, a vertical bar, so that's N, N, and then the B from bunny became that 8. So, I mean, granted, it becomes a little less visible. Maybe instead of the N, because it's a little ugly, I'm going to do the K. I think I remember saying I was going to do that. So the translator was K to X. So I'll try one more time, and we'll be done. Fun kittens bunny hamster. There you go. So the F becomes PH, kittens becomes that crazy thing. Yeah, no, fun kittens bunny hamster. We got the small mammals thing. Anyway, please don't do exactly what I did. Maybe choose slightly different things if you can. You could also go to the link at the very top of the document. They do mention other things they do. But anyway, that's the assignment. So now you should be able to do it if you were stuck. Good luck, and don't forget to, when you're all done, you want to say share. And you come down here, click on this, and right-click and say copy. And then that's the link you want to turn in on the Google Classroom. Just turn it in as a link. All right, way to go.